I perfectly know that today's topic is going to be a bit controversial. This is simply because what I am going to talk to you about is something some people have tried to demonize over the years, and due to that, a lot of people have even stopped using it. It is an ingredient we normally use in food preparation. In fact, you cannot prepare food without adding this, unique ingredient. Without that ingredient, your food will be, let me say, tasteless. I guess you have catch the clue, or you have gotten the clue already. You can let me know if you have gotten it at this point. Let me know in the comment section. This thing has been with us thousands of years, since the beginning of creation. It is God who created this. But unfortunately, some people out of greedy has made this thing a bit, demonic. Why is that? They are saying that too much of using it, causes heart attack, causes high blood pressure, causes goiter, and so on and so forth. So immediately the person goes to the hospital and complain of high blood pressure or any form of heart disease. That person will be told not to use that thing again, or to reduce the intake of that thing. I think I'm boring you with much worse. Let me finally introduce you to what I am talking to you about. And it is no other than this salt. Yes, this is sea salt. In today's video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell you 2 health benefits of sea salt. The last time I did it, but I think many people didn't see it, so I've decided to repeat it. This salt you can see I have in my hand, sea salt, is a lifesaver, and I'll tell you why. It is a lifesaver because this thing you can see can stop heart attack, cardiac arrest within 5 minutes. Yes, it can stop cardiac arrest within 5 minutes. If someone is suffering from cardiac arrest, before you take the person to the hospital, just get, especially if you have the rock one, the rock salt like this, get about 3 big, or get some of the rock salt in about a half glass of water. Mix the rock salt in a half glass of water. In fact, let it taste, let the water taste salty. Give it to the person and let the person drink it at once, within 5 minutes. In fact, by the time you people get to the hospital, the person is going to come back to stable, come back normal, as if nothing happened to him or her. This one. So it serves as a first aid when it comes to cardiac arrest. The same thing, if you know someone who has been battling with heart problem like high blood pressure, heart condition like high blood pressure, let the person start, mixing sea salt, rock salt, in normal water and be drinking it. You can mix some in your normal water and just be drinking it. I can assure you that your pressure will vanish within a thin air. The last time I told you the reason why medical doctor says you shouldn't be eating too much salt. Do you know why? Those orthodox medication they give you, as in blood pressure medication, 70% of them contain salt. 70% of those drugs contain salt. If they think what I'm saying is not true, they should come and debate me, or they should come and challenge me. Let us go through the active ingredients one after the other in those medications. you realize that 70% of those, the ingredients they manufactured those herb medicines with are salt. So they will tell you not to eat salt, but rather indirectly they will be selling you salt. That's why high blood pressure medication is not even expensive. Today I have opened the key to you. Of all the medications, blood pressure medication is one of the cheapest medicines as far as orthodox medication is concerned. So when you go to the hospital, they will give you a 1-month package, with a few amount of money. It is salt. The very salt they are telling you not to eat, they are selling it to you. That's why I'm saying this video is going to be controversial and it is open for debate. So salt is not a bad thing. There is nothing in this world God has created which is bad. God will never create something which will harm people. Think about it, my friend. Think. God will never create anything which is harmful. Even snake that we see them harmful animals or lions or other harmful animals, we see, to us they are harmful, but if I should tell you the role they are playing as far as this world is concerned, you will marvel. So there's nothing God has created which is harmful. Now let me add another benefit of salt, rock salt. If you know anyone who is having severe stomach ache, the stomach is paining here and there, please just get few rock salt like this, dilute it in a warm water, in a glass of warm water, and let this water become very salty. Let the person drink it. Within 5 minutes, the person will come out and say he or she is okay. Just try it. That's why if you have been following me, I always tell you that this thing must be around you at all times. In your traveling bag, you have to have this thing. In your home, you have to. In your bedroom, this thing is not supposed to be only in the kitchen. It's supposed to be with you wherever you are. You are supposed to even have some in your office, because anything can happen, especially the big men who are on high blood pressure medication. You can receive one call and that call can make your heart pressure to go high, your blood pressure to go high, and at that particular moment you will need something to bring it down. Otherwise your heart will stop. You will suffer from cardiac arrest. You need salt. So salt is not a bad ingredient. Salt is indeed good. If you are looking for any salt which is very bad, I would say the iodine salt or the iodide salt. Those salts are poisonous. Stop eating them. This is Secrets of Health TV. We see nothing here but the truth, and the truth will always set us free. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to click onto the notification bell icon. Select all, so that anytime you come your way with videos like this, you get the opportunity to watch it. Lest I forget, before I go, I've forgotten one benefit. If you are someone who always sit at one place for a very long time, and as you sit, you always see that your feet will be swollen. Please, as you sit, just get a piece of rock salt like this, put it in your mouth, and be licking it. Once in a while, just pick one sea salt, one rock, small one, even if it is small, if it is very small, like this one, just put it in your mouth and be licking it. I can tell you, you can sit at one place for 10 hours. Nothing will happen to your feet. Very, very amazing. but they are saying it is not good. Anyway, share the link to your friends and family and people around you. And if you have any health topic you want us to discuss, let us know in the comment area. We will do justice to it. I'll see you again in the next one, and until then, have a nice day.